Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Today we have iPhone 6 and I got this phone from one of my very good customer, and then he wanted me to fix it. So I was fixing this phone. I opened the phone. The second I opened this phone, I realized that this phone, the seawater was in the phone. The condition is so bad, and let's see if I can fix it. And as you can see, but the very amazing thing is that this phone is still charging and it's still working. It was working when I got the phone, and as you can see, it was charging. It is charging at the moment, and the battery was 2% and then just suddenly went off. Actually, it's a seawater was in the phone, and I found some sand also. I cleaned the phone, but amazingly this phone is still charging and it's still working. It was working when I received the phone, and let's see if I can do the complete restoration of this phone, and hopefully it's gonna work, and hopefully everything including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth signals, the GSM signals, and the battery and everything is okay. So let's hope I can fix this phone.